Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification on Snapchat. Before we start, download Snapchat Authenticator app. Open your Snapchat app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture in the top left to go to your profile. Then tap the gear symbol in the top right corner. Move through the next screens by tapping two-factor authentication. Tap on Continue and select Authentication app. You'll need to choose your security method, but select Authentication app as it's the most secure method. Then choose Manually. To be sure that you will get 2FA codes for your Snapchat account with our app, select Setup Manually. A pop-up window will appear for you to scan the QR code and take a screenshot of the QR code screen and save it into files on your device. Then, add Snapchat 2FA in Authenticator. Take out your mobile device and open the Authenticator app. At the bottom of the screen, tap the plus sign and choose Files. Next, select the QR code screenshot you made earlier and save account. After successfully importing the QR code screenshot, the Authenticator app will automatically choose the Snapchat logo and autofill account name and secret key. Confirm it's correct by clicking Save. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.